Hey YouTube, we're back. Today is Sunday, a little breezy. See a tree right there? Tree, that big tree, what is it? Right there. That big one. Breezy. But we're not going fishing today, we're going to check traps today. Sorry about the noise in the background, somebody's cutting their lawn, but we're going to check traps today. We're going to get on the boat, we're going to buy some bait real quick for the traps and go out and check the traps. Refill the traps and then put them back out until we can catch some next week. Right now I'm hooking the boat up. I don't know if you guys noticed, but did you guys see the name change? We changed the name to the real life fishing. Real life fishing. The reason why I call it real life fishing is because it's real life. It's not, I try my best not to do so much editing, so much scripting, so much, almost fell. So much editing and scripting and all that stuff. So I try to make it real as possible. So I call it real life fishing. Sometimes you go out there, you don't catch the best fish, you don't catch the trophy fish, you don't always catch the good fish, but you catch fish. Or sometimes you don't catch fish at all. So I call it real life fishing. So anybody want to see real fishing? You want to see the real deal stuff that goes on out there? That you have problems, you lose things, you lose anchors, you lose all kind of crap out there. Just the real stuff that goes on that people don't show you. Real life stuff. The real stuff on a boat. Real stuff about having a boat. Things break, things go out. Like for example, this light. I gotta fix that light. It's dead. Real stuff like that. That's what I want to show. I want to bring that to people now. This is my. I've been planning on changing that name for a long time now, but I just never got around to it. Fishing Family's a good name, but the kids are getting older and they're separating from us a little bit, so it's time to go to the real life and show people what really goes on out there. It's not always the peaches and cream every time you go out there, guys. Just not. This is the real life fishing. All right, so we're going to check the traps. We don't know what's going to happen. We might get some, might not. I don't know. I have no clue what's going to happen. This is our first year really doing traps. You know, we'll have 2 traps. And it's our first year doing it, so we've gotten a little couple stone crabs this season. You know, we haven't killed them, but you know, we've done pretty good for our first time. So, you know, real life. I want to take you on a journey on a real life fishing trip. Fishing trips. When you're by yourself, you got to go out there and figure out how you're gonna catch the fish, or where you're gonna look, or how you every day trying to figure them out by yourself. I'm not a captain. I'm not a charter boat captain. I haven't been doing this my whole life, no, but this is real. So I'm learning every day. I ask questions to people on YouTube and everywhere, everybody I know about how to do things better. So this is real life fishing. We'll see you guys when we get out there. We're gonna buy some bait first, and then we're gonna head out. I think it's like small craft advisory, but we're not going far. Our traps in maybe like 5 feet of water. I did it on purpose because last time I had my traps in like 10, 12 feet of water, and every time I get out there in the middle of the bay, it was all bumpy and it was hard to get out there. So now I put them in 5 feet, so on days like this I still can go check them, because 5 feet is nothing for this boat right here, nothing for this Key West. All right, we go offshore this bad boy in like 1,000 feet, so that's nothing for this Key West. So we'll see if we can get out there. Let me hook up, get the bait, you're on the water. All right, everybody, we made it out to Biscayne Bay. We left from Black Point Marina. Look at those white caps back there. That's some white caps coming, and this is only 6 feet. And we got white caps. So we're almost on site. We gotta just find the traps now. This is why I wanted to bring the traps in closer, because this reason right here, days get rough, you can't get out. I didn't want to put them in too deep water, so this right here we can handle this. 5, 6 feet. This is nothing to handle this. Let's check the sequence. It's gonna be hard today because it's pretty rough, but it's very shallow. trying to get up close to it. It's kind of rough, but do the best we can here. So strong. Workout. That is a.
We're gonna see how many crabs on that side of it, but there is crabs inside. Well, I think like 3. There's like I see like 3 inside. I think there's like 3 inside, and there might be more or less.
Get down, big boy. Get down. All right, let's see what we got here. Whoa, we got 4. All right. So we need
But get the chance to get the claw, like the walk it up for take off.
Look at that. No, not going with you. Not going home with you. Yes, you are.
It's too small. Oh, maybe 1.
I get my 2.
Okay. Which one are you measuring?
Wait, let me get hold of them first. Wait.
Watch this one here. It's dangerous. Crab.
This one here. He look good. He look good. Knife. Knife for him. Can you get it?
Yeah, let's try.
Right here. Put my thumb in again. All right. Check this one. Good. It's good. It's good.
Oh, I thought you said it was good.
I said it's good. From here.
Paying attention.
From here. Go up. Right here. It's a little short.
Okay.
Okay, grab them. Come back. Grab the claw. Claw. You want to grab one?
Yeah, I will.
You gotta grab both his claws, okay? See, that's
I feel like that's like one.
let go, man.
Grab those. Grab those.
You're gonna grab both his claws, hold them real tight and strong, okay?
Okay.
He looks small, but we'll check him anyway.
Because you have big claws.
Grab one claw. Grab one. Grab the claw. Grab the claw. Grab it tight. Grab it tight.
Got it.
Let me measure. Open your hand a little bit. That's small. This one, that's small. That's small too. And you want that? You see how strong he is?
Yeah, he is strong. They are strong. But you have to.
I grab it tight. Same thing. Grab one claw. Grab the other claw. Tight. Hold it tight. Tight. Grab it inside. Grab the outside. Grab it tight. Hold it tight. Pull apart. Be strong. So we drifted too far and lost our other trap. The trap we thought we saw wasn't our trap, it was someone else's. So for the next 4 hours, we're searching around and the weather is getting worse and we still can't find a trap. I think someone stole it. So we searched and searched and searched. Still no sign of our trap. We're gonna pick one up, take it with us, and go get the other one. So we don't have it again. This is real fishing, this is real stuff here. We gonna show you this stuff. We'll show you everything.
If it is, we drifted really far.
Huh?
If it is, we drifted really far.
bags of pig feed for both traps, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw both bags in one trap because you can't find the other one. Until you come out another day and we'll try to see if we can find the other one. So
Alright, that's the plan.
that's the plan for now. I don't know if someone stole it or what, but I put them close enough that I can see both. If I can see one, I should be able to see both.
Yeah.
So let's see. I'm gonna put both bags of pig feed in one trap.
I guess we'll have a walk.
Why can't you put like both of them next to each other? Like,
I want to spread them. I want to spread them out a little bit, you know, but I spread them out enough that I can see both. But I don't see the other one. I don't know if someone stole it or what. I don't know. But we've been riding around over an hour trying to find it. So we're gonna call it quits and maybe search again another day when it's a little calmer out here. Yeah, it's a lot of white caps and it's hard to find the buoys. Y'all getting wet.
I got a wet one.
I'm not
Alright, Caleb,
wet.
record.
My whole body was wet.
What? Your whole body was wet?
Current is very strong. I should be able to see it from right here. Where we are, I should be able to see it.
Maybe someone did steal it.
Huh?
Maybe someone did steal it.
I should be able to see it. I didn't go that far. Before the last video, I said there's one there and one there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna check that one right there. See that right there?
No.
Check that out right there. I don't think it's ours, bro. Let me check that out. This current's pulling so strong, though, it pulls you away. Put both of them, both bags in here.
Coming over here.
Crab. Crab. That's 10. A big bull is trying to get some. Mama,
Yeah,
how
baby.
many do I have to get?
What?
Crabs.
You okay?
Mango is 20.
I was thinking to myself, what's the chance we have a crab in already?
That.
Why can't you just like pour the crab like pig feet? It's pour right there.
Well, you know what? That's a good idea.
Alright. Save us the time.
Good idea, Caleb. Way to use your head, Caleb. Save it up top. All right. Go back to that spot over there and drop it down.
Why can't the crabs just escape from the top?
It is. Ooh.
Hold on, now.
Drop it. Trap the floor.
Okay, never mind.
So we just dropped the crab trap. We just dropped my cactus. Okay, what?
Take it around the motor. All right, guys, we're gonna take it back in. We're all wet down here about an hour, riding around, getting wet. So let's take it back in. Let's hopefully on the way back in we find that trap. All right, guys, we'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching Real Life Fishing. Peace.